In case you're wondering why YouTube takes too long to upload, this is the video for you. Don't move, don't go anywhere, because I'm going to give you the right answer that you're looking for. Sometimes maybe it's not the answer that you want to hear, but this is the reason why your YouTube takes too long to upload your video, and you're really wondering. You've been uploading, you've been waiting and waiting for hours. Sometimes you even go to bed and you wake up in the morning and the video is still uploading. Now these are the few reasons of why YouTube could be taking too long to upload. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure that if you want to know and see, and if you want me to answer your question and deliver quickly your questions that you ask, and I deliver them and make videos for you to answer what you're asking, touch the subscribe button there at the bottom and touch the bell button next to it to receive a message that I've already put up and uploaded your video and it's been delivered about what you asked. Now, why do videos on YouTube take too long to upload? Now, when you start making your video, when you start taking your video, you need to ask yourself first, what cameras are you using? So many of us, many of those who are watching right now, you're using your cell phone. Because I'm talking that my videos, I usually talk to Africans and South Africans and Africans at the large, the whole continent. If you're watching this video, probably you're busy you use your camera, you use your phone to take the videos. Now, before you take a video, you need to know how to set your camera. Your camera settings need to be checked. Now, if you're using any phone you're using, whether Android, any smartphone that you're busy using, turn on the camera and then go to the settings. Go to the settings of the camera, slide the camera as if you're ready to capture. Then on the corner there, you will see there is a gear, or the gear settings gear, or three dots, three dots like this. Click on those dots or click on that gear and you go to the settings. You see resolution. Check the resolution. The reason why we need to change the resolution right now before you take the video is you don't want the video to be too large. When the video is too large, you find that it takes too long to upload on YouTube. If the video has to be as small as possible, but at the same time, you're keeping the quality. Now go to the resolution, check the resolution. If your phone is a big smartphone, it will have the 4K resolution, the QHD, Quality HD, which is 4K, and then it will have the HD, which is 1080p, and then it will go down to the 720 and all the way down to 320 and all of the rest to 170 and all of those. So now 144, there is 144, there is all of those till the smallest one. But then now don't take the least ones. Least ones will give you the smallest quality, lowest bad quality, which is not good, which won't give good quality of your video. But now, if you really want a reasonable quality, but your video isn't that big, don't choose 4K, which is the highest. Do not, if you have it at all, don't choose 1080p. 1080p is quite big. It's quite big. But now choose the 720. 720 is a moderate size of for any cell phone to take a video and to be uploaded on YouTube, to be uploaded on a web. So now 4K is too big. 4K is too large. 4K, when you upload a video when you take a video, capture a video of a 10 minutes video will go to almost 5 gigabytes. A 10 minutes video will go almost to 5 gigabytes, which is too big. Now, when you upload a 5 gigabytes to YouTube, if your internet is very slow, now that takes us to the second reason why your video would be taking too long. Now, after we're done, choose 720. 720 is the resolution you need to choose before you take videos, and then save the settings, and then go ahead and you capture your video. Another reason, one more other tip, when you're about to take a video, do not hold your camera like this. Never hold your camera like this. Never hold it like this while taking a YouTube video. Always move it like that. capture the video when the camera is like this. Capture it like that, not like that. Now, the second one that I've mentioned already, is the internet. Your internet, how slow is your internet? Your internet, now even though you've got a 720 resolution video, your internet, if it's very poor and it's very slow, probably you're on Wi-Fi, or you are on a package, on an internet package that is very poor, and the speed is very low. Speed is very low, usually 1 megabyte per second. 1 megabyte per second is very slow internet. Very slow internet. Slow internet will lead, and when the internet is slow and at the same time the video is too large, then you will always take naps while you're uploading. Then you tend to blame it on YouTube. You blame it on YouTube, but it's not YouTube actually. It's your internet, or the file is too large. And thirdly, your phone. If your phone, say your internet is fine, it's okay, it's speedy, and your video is a 720, which is normal, which a 10 minutes video of at a 720 resolution will give you roughly 8 to 1 gig. 8 megabytes, 800 megabytes to 1 gig. That will be the range, which is fine to upload if you really have a good speedy internet. Now, the third one, if you've got a speedy internet and your video is fine it's in a fine resolution, which doesn't give too much gigabytes, then it's your gadget, your phone itself. Go and check the settings. Clean out the caches, clean out all the data that is clogging your phone at the background. Close all the application in your phone in the background that are busy running and slowing down the phone. So make sure that you restart your cell phone before you upload a video. Before you upload your video that you worked on, make sure that you restart your phone. Go first and clear out the caches, clear out all the downloading the data, clear out all that data that is in the background. All the cookies, clear them out. Delete them and clear your phone. Close all the apps that could be running in the background to slow the phone. And also the memory. If your memory is full, your memory card is full, make sure that you clean out stuff that you don't need. Don't leave it empty. I'm not saying leaving it empty, but if you have your memory, the storage on your memory card, always make sure that you only use 3/4 of your memory. Leave a quarter. If possible, leave a half empty, just to run the memory, because the memory use the phone, your phone speed, your phone use your memory in order to process it, and to process it needs the memory. So if your phone is full, if your memory capacity is full, your phone will be slowing, it will be sluggish, everything you do will be slow. So even though you've got a fast internet, even though your video is not too large, it's small enough to upload onto YouTube, your phone itself, if it's clogged, if it's not restarted, if it's slowing, if you haven't cleaned it and clogged it, it will all be slow. So those are the reasons why sometimes you upload and the YouTube is very slow. Do not blame the YouTube. Try and check all those 3 aspects and see exactly. Sometimes it could even be your browser, the browser on which you're using, delete all the history. Go to Google Chrome, in the history there on top, and delete all the history that you're having. Probably you've been searching on pages and sites, and you're opening several pages, many pages. You're opening so many pages, jumping from one page to another, one page. Maybe you open a Google Chrome page, you've been searching on a certain website, you don't close that website, you open another website, and all the tabs are opening on Google Chrome. Many tabs are opening. Those tabs slow down your gadget. So make sure that on Google Chrome, restart the Google Chrome, close all the tabs before you go onto the YouTube page. If you're using a page, or if you're using an app, make sure that everything is quite restarted and clear. Then your phone, your YouTube will go faster. So there are a lot of things to look, aspects to look at if your YouTube channel is taking too long to upload. Sometimes, in most cases, it's not the YouTube itself, sometimes it's another. So now if you've checked everything and you see everything is okay, and you're still suspecting YouTube, go and log out of your channel, your channel avatar, your channel profile picture. Click on it and you will see sign out. Go and sign out. If after you sign out, go also on Google Chrome and sign out also. Sign out completely, restart your phone and sign in again, and then sign also in again on YouTube. And then your YouTube will be refreshed, and you will be good to go. So please make sure that you go ahead and put questions there. If you have more questions about YouTube, put them there in the comment box. I'm here to answer and reply to all your questions and make videos and also subscribe in order to receive a notification. Touch the bell button so you make it easy for me to deliver that video about the questions that you ask. Make it easy for me by touching the bell button and receive a notification. Turn on the notifications so that the videos that I deliver to you to answer your questions, they come through and they notify you, and so that you can watch them. Israel, once again, keep coming back and back again for more tips on how to create a YouTube channel, how to go viral, how to make videos that go viral, how to do keyword research, and more about YouTube. See you later.